Hi friends, welcome back to Karmakar's kitchen. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how to make bhatura. I have already uploaded a recipe of Chana Masala or Chole Masala in my channel. If you haven't watched that video, then please go back to my channel and watch that video. And also I will give the link in the description box down below and somewhere here on the screen. Before you make bhatura, please watch Chana Masala recipe that I have made. So let's see what all we need to make the recipe. To make bhatura, we need 2.5 cups or about 500 grams of flour or maida. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Semolina 2 teaspoons. Milk powder 2 teaspoons. Half a teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix everything, all the dry ingredients together. For the wet ingredients, now I am adding 1/4 cup of yogurt, cooking oil about 2 tablespoons. Any refined oil can be used here. I'm also adding carom seeds, handful of carom seeds, also known as Jowan or Ajwain, for better tasting of bhatura. After incorporating everything, we have to knead the flour and make a soft dough. Add water in small amount whenever needed. Our dough for bhatura is ready. Now I'm going to cover it with a clinch wrap and let it rest for a minimum of 2 hours. After 2 hours, the dough for bhatura is all set and ready to roll out. Grab a small chunk out of it and make a ball-sized dough, little bigger than the size of a roti dough ball. While rolling out, we have to keep in mind that we are not making roti, therefore it should have little more thickness than a roti or a chapati. Now dust some flour on the surface and roll out the dough with the help of a rolling pin. Bhaturas are different from luchis. Even though both are made with maida, bhaturas are bigger in size and we don't add yogurt in our luchis. Spread out evenly from all the sides. Our first bhatura is ready. Dust off extra flour. In a wok or a deep bottom pan, heat enough oil for deep frying. Put the flame on high heat. The oil should be hot enough or else the bhaturas are not gonna puff up. And once it's hot, slowly slide in the bhatura and press gently and splash oil on it. Keep pressing gently and splash oil on it, and then gradually you will notice the bhatura puffs up like a balloon. Fry for another 5 to 10 seconds. Shed excess oil before taking out. And my first bhatura is ready. And now I'm frying another one. Guys, if you plan to make something like this, then please watch Chana Masala recipe in my channel, because you're gonna need chana to go along with bhatura. And don't forget salads and pickle. So guys, how did you like the bhatura recipe? Do let me know in the comment box below. And thank you so much for your love and support. Do keep watching my videos and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week with a new recipe. Till then, take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.